knowledge pattern. We'll cover repeating patterns and the sequence patterns in this topic. Problem 11. What is the 100th digit of a decimal representation 1/7? So this one we really need to find out what's the repeat pattern. So there is no way to get around. You have to carry this out. 1/7, that would give you, we have to 2, that's 14. We have to find out when and where, which number this whole sequence starts to repeat itself. Okay, now it starts to repeat because we come back to the 10. Okay, so it's 0.142857, then 142857, and so on. So this pattern repeats. We have talked about this a lot last year. How do we find any digit? So you just give them a hundreds, this number. How do you find out that digit? The repetition is 6 times. So you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all the way to what? 96. And then you have 4 numbers remainder, right? So 4 numbers, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just have to count. You take out the integer number of repeat patterns, and the remainder, which we call the, what do we call this? Unit digit. And then use that unit digit to find out which number that you're looking for. Practice problem 12. What is the 50th letter in this pattern? So the pattern is not repeating itself, but it repeats in a regular way. So we have ABC, that's 3 letters. AABBCC, that's 6 letters. AAABBBCCC, that's 9 letters. Okay, we want to find the 5th. You can imagine the next one would be 4 A's, 4 B's, 4 C's, that's 12. And the next one would be 5A, 5B, 5C, that's 15. We need to find the 50th. So we need to get rid of all this to find out what is the unit digit in order to find out our answer. So 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15, that's 45. The 50th comes in, so this is 5 A's, right? The next one is going to have 6 A's. A, B, 6 B's, and 6 C's, right? So 45, the unit digit now is 5. We need to find, once after this, the 5th repetition, the 6th starts, what is the 5th letter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's letter A. Practice problem 13. Complete the pattern. 10, 15, 22.5, and 33.75. This, this one, the principle is not very obvious. So we have the difference here is 5, and then 7.5, and so on. It's increasing and in a not a very clear way. So since this number increases, the difference increases too. It's kind of a hint that give you, oh, maybe the ratio will remain the same. So this is just guessing, right? So we have 10/15. Let's try it out. 10/15, that would give you 2/3. And then we do 15/23.5. 22.5. So this one, I mean, the lower grade, if they have a problem with the decimal place, we can multiply 10 to the numerator and denominator. Then it's easier. Then we can divide 5 from top and bottom, or divide 25 from top and bottom. So this is 6. This would be 9. So divide by 3 again, that's 2 to 3. Okay, good. So that the ratio is the same. So 10/15, 15/22.5, the ratio is always 2/3. So now we can use this number to find out the last one. So 33.75 over some number equals to 2/3. I hope the students can finish this one.